The sounds they have been practicing, the meanings they have attributed to them, all seem to come together.
How many there are?
Suddenly, they grasp the idea that everything has a name. A new phrase enters their vocabulary. What's that?
Look at that.
A great mental leap is taking place. The phenomenon is called the language explosion.
Say hi. Hi, Mommy. Hi.
What is it that the baby human pays attention to that helps speed up the learning of new words?
Oh, no, he's brown. Look, he sees you. What would he do? Would you pet him?
To find out, Susan Jones and her colleagues developed a special study.
Can you say Tika? Tika, good job.
Maya is a 17-month-old toddler.
In the basket.
She is in the early stages of language learning and has about 50 words in her vocabulary.
Careful with my Tika. Careful with my Tika.
This is her first of 8 weekly sessions with a researcher.
Can I see the Tika? Can you say bye-bye, Tika? Bye-bye, Tika. Phew. God. Look at my wazzle. Look at my wazzle.
The researcher shows her a series of objects which have been given invented names.
Oh, good job. Oh. Can I get another wazzle? Can I get another wazzle? Look. Here's my other wazzle. I'm gonna put it on my finger.
They have the same shape, but are made of different colors and materials.
Wazzle on your nose. Yeah. I've got a basket. Can you put the wazzle in the basket?
By participating in these training sessions, Maya is learning to pay special attention to shape.
Shake the basket. Oh, look at that wazzle.
Researchers wanted to determine whether shape is an aid in learning new
Look
words.
at this. This is not a wazzle. We don't want to play with that one. We'll put it back.
Mallory is almost 2 years old. She has completed her 8th weekly visit and has now come back to be tested.
Woog. It's a woog. Can you say woog?
Woog.
That's a woog. Did you get
She is shown an object and told its name is a wug.
this thing?
Then she is shown a group of objects which all have common features, but only one is similar in shape.
This. Can you find me another woog?
When asked to find another wug, Mallory identifies it by its shape rather than by any other trait.
Okay, Mallory, look at this one now. This is a riff.
Researchers
Can you say
concluded
riff?
that shape is crucial for learning the names of things.
Guys.
In fact, these studies have shown that the vocabulary of children who have been trained to pay special attention to shape increased by more than 3 times as much as other children.
All right. Thank you very much.
During the language explosion, children shift into the next stage of language development. From isolated words, they move to micro-sentences of 2 words.
Do you think the cat is sleeping?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh.
The enunciation is still far from perfect, and it often takes someone familiar with the child to translate.
What's this?
Chicken.
Chicken? What the chicken says?
Flock.
Quack. Flock, flock, flock. Which color is that?
Yeah.
Red. You wanna put it on? Come on. You do it. You put it up here.
It's an exciting time. New vistas open up.
What else?
Their playing changes dramatically now.
Shaba eat croissant? Very nice talking, yeah.
Adults often see themselves mirrored in actions and in words.
With the spoon, you can make it like this. Yummy. Which flavor is that?
A great flowering of the imagination takes place as playtime becomes filled with language. It takes a huge amount of effort, but it's all worth it in the end.
Good, delicious.
Let's eat him.
So the human animal is the only one who received the gift of speech.
Now let's put the lion in.
As children begin to speak, their inner world becomes visible. How they reason, solve problems, and plan actions are all reflected in the way they assemble words into more and more complex thoughts.
Up in his cave.
Could you in the rain?
It's the end of the day, and Miranda is getting ready for bed.
Not on a train, that's right. Not in a
At 22 months, she is in the midst of her language explosion. It's a time when the baby human learns a minimum of one new word every 90 minutes.
Eat green eggs and
By the time they reach 2 years of age, they typically use over 300 words and understand about 1,000. These early years are the critical time for learning language, and early interaction with parents is when the seed for communication skills is planted.
Miranda's getting awful thin, just a nickel of bones covered or with skin.
Like all other babies, Miranda has learned to talk by listening to and imitating the adults in her environment. The games and songs of childhood are critical to the process. Bedtime is a time for quiet, to be alone. Miranda uses these moments before falling asleep to rehearse what she has learned during the day. She must process an overwhelming deluge of new language, new concepts. Her baby years have passed. She is now on the threshold of moving into childhood. In a short 2 years of life, Miranda has accomplished an amazing amount of work. She has gone from cooing to babbling syllables and finally to words. She is learning that you can play with language and put words together in unexpected ways that allow her to think new thoughts. Language is an indispensable part of being human. It allows humans to express feelings, to reflect on the past and imagine a future. For the baby human, a whole new way of relating to the world is about to open up. One they can't even begin to dream of.